What's the meaning of cellophane? Cellophane. Cellophane.
Cellophane. Cellophane. Cellophane is a thin, transparent film made of regenerated cellulose. It was originally developed as a packaging material in the early 1900s and is still used today for food wrapping, cigarette packaging, and other products. Cellophane is biodegradable and can be recycled, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to plastic. It is also heat sealable, which means it can be easily sealed to protect the contents of a package. Overall, cellophane is a versatile and practical material that has been widely used for more than a century.